everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix app not appearing on home screen. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first I'm going to tell you how to get apps back on the home screen using app library. Whether you have hidden an app or it has disappeared from the home screen on your iPhone or iPad, the first place you should look is the app library. Every app on your iPhone can be found in the app library even if you have removed it from your home screen. To access your app library, swipe left until you have gone one screen past to your last home screen page, and then tap the search bar and type in the name of the missing app. When you see the app, press and hold the app icon until a menu appears, and then tap on add to home screen, and you are done. And the next thing I am going to tell you, reveal hidden home screens. If all apps disappeared from home screen. One time all my apps disappeared from my home screen and it turned out that I had accidentally hidden the entire home screen. For this, long press the background of your home screen until you enter jiggle mode. Then tap the horizontal row of dots at the bottom of the screen to see your home screen pages. Home screen doesn't have a check mark underneath, that means it is hidden. Tap the empty circle to make the home screen page visible, and then tap done at the top right corner of your screen, and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you how to find an app not showing on iPhone with Siri search. For this, swipe down from the center of the home screen and type the name of the app in the search field. If the app appears with the download icon, it is not installed on your iPhone. Tap the download icon to restore the app to your home screen. If the app is in the folder or your home screen, you will see the folder name listed on the right. Turn to your home screen and open the folder to find the app. Next, I am going to tell you download deleted apps from the App Store to add them back to your home screen. For this, open the App Store and then tap search. Tap on the search bar. Type in the name of your missing app. If there is a download icon next to the app, tap it to re-download the app. Once downloaded, the app will appear on your home screen. Or if open appears, the app is still on your iPhone, you can tap the app to open it. But if you want to add the app to your home screen, return to the app library section. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix app not appearing on home screen, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.